Hey guys, welcome back. This is Archana here. I hope you all are doing good. So, Diwali is around the corner, and I feel it's high time to make some beautiful decor piece. I thought to make Shubh Labh sign using resin for my main door, and anything made up of resin looks absolutely wonderful. So, yeah, here you can see I took a coaster mold to make my project, and you can use any brand's resin to make this project. My personal favorite brand is Hudson's resin, and the this brand needs 2 is to 1 ratio, like 2 part of resin and 1 part of hardener. So yeah, whenever you think of making a resin project, make sure to read all the details about mixing the resin on the resin bottle or box. So because mixing ratio of resin and hardener are varies from brand to brand. And yeah, and also when you're working with resin, make sure that you work in a well ventilated area, as well as put gloves and mask too, because yes, safety first. To add pigments in my resin, today I am using Amix Chroma Burst. Trust me, this product goes very well with resin. I have tried this product earlier as well in my project, and I absolutely love the effect on that. So yeah, this product works absolutely great in the resin, and they adds very beautiful pigment as well as shine or sparkly effect, which you will see in my final outcome. So yeah, if you're new to resin, and you wanted to try, then yes, you can go with this chroma burst as well. So when I put this chroma burst powder into resin, I make sure that I give it a good mix, because there should no lumps in it. Otherwise, you will not get that effect. So yeah, if you are using chroma burst, make sure to give it a. I mean, make sure to give your resin a good mix. And next I started pouring this resin randomly in my molds. I had no plans as such in my mind, so just I'm going with the flow and enjoying the pour, and that's it. So once this layer of resin dries completely, I have demolded the casting just to see its back, but I didn't like the finish. So what I have done, I have put this casting back in the mold carefully, and I took this Shubh Labh sticker. This kind of a sticker you can get it in any local shop as well as on Amazon. I have painted this sticker using black gesso and then added metallic paint, and I put this sticker on the middle of the resin casting. So once this is done, to add more beauty to the project, I mix little resin in the cup and added gold leaf to give that festive look, as well as that shiny look to these castings. So this layer will also create a dome effect plus, and it will add even coat of resin. And now it's time to demold this casting. I totally love the outcome. Do let me know what you guys think about this quick and easy project. I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy crafting.